everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to sign out ChatGPT. Now to do that, what you need to do is open a Google browser first and then click open new tab. There on the search bar, you type in chat.openai.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page where you are currently logged in into the account of yours. Now for you to just log out from here, all you have to do is move your mouse cursor to the left hand side of your screen at the very bottom. There you will have the option of log out. All you have to do is click on log out, which will get you logged out from your OpenAI account to the official page. So this is how you can log out from the ChatGPT. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.